This channel on YouTube has only 44 videos and has gained over 218,000 subscribers. The videos are getting millions of views. And it's not alone. Another channel has over 500,000 subscribers, and every single video has multi-million views. What's common between these channels is that they are using Stickman animations. The best part? You can use these animations for literally any niche on YouTube. Now, if you're planning to start a YouTube channel from scratch, you have to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can monetize, and that can take at least 3 to 6 months. Instead, get a pre-monetized YouTube account and start earning from day one. They sell 100% organic accounts, and you can also pick the high-quality Western audience option to get the most premium account available. Now let's start the tutorial. In the description, you'll find a Notion file. Inside that file, I've provided the complete master prompt. You'll also find a source PDF button. I've prepared complete Stickman channel source material. It's about 53 pages long. Go ahead and download that PDF first. Next, in Notion, click the copy button and the complete master prompt will be copied to your clipboard. Now open Claude AI and paste the master prompt. The prompt is specifically designed for the stick figure niche, so it already includes everything you need. Claude will then ask you to upload the source PDF. Upload the PDF we just downloaded and type something like source PDF attached. Claude will read through all the data in the PDF. Once it's done processing, simply type Go to get started. Claude will now generate channel name ideas and a channel description. It will then give you a prompt to generate a logo and another prompt to generate a banner. For image generation, we're going to use Flow. Create a new project. At the bottom, switch to image mode and select Nano Banana Pro as the model. Paste the logo prompt and let it generate. Then copy the banner prompt, switch the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate the banner. Download both images when done. Back in Claude, pick a channel name and description that you like from the suggestions. Now go to your monetized channel. It will look something like this. Go to Studio and upload the banner and logo we just generated. Enter the channel name and description that Claude provided. That's it. Your channel branding is now ready. It will look something like this. Now type Next in Claude, and it will give you 10 unique video ideas to choose from. Pick one title and enter it into Claude. Claude will then ask for the duration of the video. I'm writing 60 seconds for this tutorial, but for better monetization and watch time, you should aim to create videos that are around 8 minutes long. Once Claude generates the script, we need to convert it into a voiceover. Open Minimax Audio and go to text-to-speech. Paste the script, choose a voice that fits your channel style, hit generate.
Raise your hand if you've ever walked into a room and immediately wanted to walk back out. Yeah, same. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't something you either have
and download the voiceover file. Now type Next again in Claude, and it will provide you with character variants along with image generation prompts. Copy the first variant prompt. In Flow, switch the aspect ratio to 1:1 and generate the character. Then copy the second variant prompt and generate that one too. I generated 3 variants and liked the first one, so I deleted the remaining 2. Back in Claude, type the variant number you want to lock in, so Claude remembers which character design you've chosen going forward. Then type Next, and Claude will ask if you already have a visual flow in mind for the video. If you don't, just type Design it, and Claude will provide all the prompts needed to generate the video scenes. Now, if you look at the output carefully, here's how to read it. First, there's a script section for reference. We don't need that. Then there's a character lock section. We've already generated the character, so we can skip that too. What we do need is the style anchor and environment lock section. Below that, you'll find multiple shots, each one labeled with a timestamp and a short generation prompt. At the very bottom, there's a negative prompt and a handoff section. We don't need those either. What you need to do is copy a few of the shot prompts. In Flow, switch to video mode and choose OmniFlash as the model. Then drag and drop your character image as an ingredient. Paste the first shot prompt, but don't generate it yet. Go back to Claude and also copy the style anchor and environment lock section. Paste that alongside the scene prompt in Flow. This ensures visual consistency across all your shots. Now hit generate. Go back and copy the remaining scene prompts. Replace the previous prompt with each new one and generate them one by one. So for one complete scene, You may generate 2 or more video clips. Follow the same process for all the remaining scenes until every shot is generated. Then type Next in Claude, and it will provide prompts for generating thumbnails. But before we generate thumbnails, let's edit the video first. Open any video editor, like CapCut, for example. Import all the video clips and the voiceover file. Click Sort by Time Created, so the clips are arranged in the correct order. Add them to the timeline. Make the necessary cuts and adjust the video clips to sync with the voiceover. Your video is now ready.
Raise your hand if you've ever walked into a room and immediately wanted to walk back out. Yeah, same. But here's the truth. Action comes first. Feeling follows. Think about the first time you drove a car. Terrifying. Now, automatic. Confidence works the exact same way. You do the thing badly, then less badly, then without thinking.
Now let's generate the thumbnails. Claude will give you about 5 different thumbnail concepts, each with its own generation prompt. Copy each prompt and generate them in Flow using Nano Banana Pro. You can generate all the prompts at once to save time. I generated 4 thumbnails here, and honestly, the results are amazing. That's it. Just get a monetized YouTube channel and get started.